Hi again. Hi. Faith Kayampa, independent Scentsy consultant, and today we're going to unbox fragrance flowers. Okay, I love fragrance flowers. I absolutely love fragrance flowers. Fragrance that you can place basically anywhere in your home. So if you don't have an outlet for a warmer or a diffuser, here you go. Also, it comes in a little giftable box. We love it. We love it. So I'm gonna just show you, I ran out of mine downstairs and I need to refill it. So I was like, let's do an unboxing of it. Let's show you how to use it. And here we go. This one is watermelon tangerine, which is no longer available, but we always have good scents. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the box. You have your instructions in here, which you won't need because I'm gonna show you how to do it. But if you wanna keep them, you can. Okay, you have our silver ring. This is like the decorative piece to it. And then you have your oil. You have your oil. What I love about the oil is that it has like the scent on the bottom so you never forget which one it is. And then this is our fragrance flower, okay? This is a sola wood. It's a handmade sola wood fragrance flower. And we do have two shapes. This is the buttercup bell shape. I like this one. I prefer the darling dahlia better. They're just different shapes. It doesn't do anything different. So I'm going to show you how to use it. First off, with the flower, do you see this little tape down here? This little piece of paper? We're going to cut that off, okay? You just take it. You could probably rip it off by your hand if you want to. Okay, comes off. Throw that part away. And this is what's going to happen. We're going to put this in the oil and it's going to absorb into this. And then it's going to come out through the flower. Can last up to 60 days. Sometimes mine lasts longer. It just really depends. But since he says 60 days. And then the oil. There was plastic on this. I went ahead and took it off. You just unscrew the lid. And then you pop off this top. There's a little top that goes on it. You pop that off. You take your silver ring. Screw it on there. And then place your flower in there. Okay? So these are just, it smells really good. These are absolutely beautiful. After a few hours, your flower will start to absorb the oil and you'll be able to smell it like it's a good scent throw for such a small product, you know? And you can also put food coloring into the oil. The food coloring will seep into the flower and make it pretty. Like you can do different colors. I've also seen people take Sharpies and color around the edges and do an ombre, and when the oil hits that, it's just really, really pretty. Another tip, I think this is a really cute idea. Have these for your centerpieces if you're getting married, like at your tables, okay? Number one, they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. Somebody can take them home, but here's the thing. It'll be your signature wedding fragrance, right? Anytime somebody smells this, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, remember so-and-so's wedding? Like, I love that. And then afterwards, you can actually keep the flowers, dry them out, they'll still have scent, and you can use them for home decor and stuff like that, crafting. I absolutely love this product. I think it's amazing. I think it's beautiful, it's simple, it's affordable. I absolutely love it. So if you have any questions, let me know. And thank you so much for watching.